Feel so weird not wearing black right now. I feel like I'm going to pajama party. Or like I lost my shirt and I had to just pick up whatever was in the lost and found. Hey guys, how's it going? It's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. Don't be scared. I know I'm not wearing black and it's super weird, but it's a hair tutorial and I wanted you guys to actually be able to see my hair, and if I wear black, you're not going to really be able to see it. Anyway, today's video is, it's slightly going to be how I curl my hair to get this kind of like effortless wave that are still kind of effortless and cute and it doesn't look like you try too hard. But mainly I want to share with you guys this curling wand that I got ages ago off Amazon. It's like it's in between $25 and $30, and it is the only curling wand that you're ever gonna need in your entire life, honey. I don't curl my hair often, but I do know that this is the best curling wand that I've tried, and it's very affordable, it's reliable, it's lasted so long. I just wanted to share it with you guys. So I'm gonna be putting the link in the description below. It's an Amazon affiliate link. I'm gonna make a little bit of commish off of the purchase if you go through with it and purchase it. So it's a win-win-win. It's the best. So let me get into it. This is what I don't want to do any like fancy close-ups and stuff because I've had this for a really long time and it's kind of dirty, like kind of grimy. It's also very hot because I just finished using it. Comes with 5 different sized wands, as you can see here. I used the biggest one today to create these really big, effortless, like flowy waves, but I also like using these two, the second and third larger ones, if you want some tighter curls, if you want them to last a little bit longer, because these curls are gonna fade away after a little while and create an even more kind of like a wave, which I like. My hair is naturally very straight. It doesn't hold a curl super well, but this thing so far, like a wand type situation instead of like one of those clamp curling irons, is the best for me and my pretty like fine thin hair. It comes with a glove also, probably imported directly from China and then sold through Amazon, so it's Amazon Prime. You'll get it in 2 days, but it's a really good product and I wouldn't be recommending it otherwise. So it's got a little switch here. You've got 0 for off. You've got level 1, which is what I leave it on just because I don't want to like damage my hair unnecessarily, and then you've got level 2, which is crazy, really hot. Doesn't say what temperature it gets to. Oh, it says here 200 Celsius. 1 is pretty hot still. 2 is really hot, and then it's got this the indicator light that's supposed to tell you that it's on. Just says LED. But whatever, I think it's great. And I remember when I asked for this for Christmas ages ago, and there was one sold at Sephora that was really similar, and it was at least $100. And I'm like, there's gotta be a dupe for it somewhere. There's gotta be a more affordable one. So I went on Amazon, found this, and I was just like, you know what? I'm just gonna go for it. If it sucks, I can return it. But it's been great, and it hasn't crapped out. And I have had this thing for like 5 years, and they're still selling it. So I think it's great. And I'm gonna show you how I create this kind of easy curled hair look. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Check out the Amazon link. Without further ado, let's fucking get into it. Alright guys, so I pretty much just start out with my regular old hair. Haven't straightened or anything. I brushed it so it's nice and swaffed, and I've got my part where I usually do my part, and the curling wand is sizzling hot. I'm using the biggest one out of the bunch just because I don't like my curls to be too tight. Let's see, so I kind of split my hair into 2, roughly 2 down the back. This isn't like super precise. I literally just grab some hair, grab my wand, knock shit over, of course. Wrap around. It's really easy. This seems really obvious. Boom. And there's the curl. I just let it fall back there, and then I move on to the next piece. Just kind of roughly grab a piece. I'm doing big chunks just because I'm lazy. Wrapping around. Oh yeah, also I usually alternate wrapping towards my face and then away from my face, just because I feel like that gives a little bit more of a, wow, this looks great. Gives a little bit more of like a textured, not like so perfect look. I don't like that perfect look. Doop. I think I accidentally went forward on the last two, so let's go back. This thing comes with a glove. I don't use the glove. I hate them. But if you are worried about burning your fingers or you're not used to using a wand, then definitely practice with the glove. Bleep. For the way that I usually like to curl my hair, that kind of makes it look a little bit more of a old Hollywood vibe, and in the front, is make sure that your last piece is curling towards your face. So probably have like that much in my last piece, maybe a little bit more, just to kind of coordinate that a little bit. So this one's going out. Okay. And then for this one, we are going to, actually I'm going to divide this one in two because it feels like it's a little too big. But I'm just gonna go, no, I'm gonna go back on this one. If you really want to have that old Hollywood glamour look, then you're gonna want to go the same direction every time and not mix it up. That's graceful. Now that that side's done, spritz with a little hairspray. I've been enjoying this stuff. This is by 𝐅𝐻𝐋𝐿 Bombshell Volume Grip and Hold Spray. It smells so good. And don't touch it. We're gonna brush through it in a sec, but we're moving on to the other side. Whenever I part my hair, this side always actually has a lot more hair for some reason, so this side is definitely going to take longer. For the last long section that's framing your face goes inward. And then for the bangs, you're gonna want to go in this kind of loop-de-loop thing, but keep the wand away from your forehead. So I go around from the back like this. Kind of uncomfortable to hold, but keep you from burning your forehead. Okay. Now we're gonna spritz with hairspray. And then let the hair cool down. And since I'm done with this, I'm just gonna turn it off. Boom. This is what it looks like from the back. All right, so once the hair is cool, I like to brush through to soften up the curls and to kind of break up the hairspray a little bit. All right, and there you can see I've got I find this part to be very flattering and kind of curls and accentuates the cheekbone, and I can easily tuck it behind my ear if I want to, and voila. So there you have it. There's how I curl. That's how I curl. My really effortless, like, easy waves. I'm gonna put the link for this curling wand down in the description. That's the whole point of this video, because this thing is an amazing steal, and I would needed to share it with y'all. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.